Hello dear student, good morning student. Now we will start page number 11 in our GK book. Leaders of the 20th century. Identify these leaders who created history in the last century. First है, he was in prison of 27 years of his fight against the apartheid in South Africa. He was the president of South Africa from 1994 until 1999. He died in 2013. वो कौन थे? नेल्सन मंडेला. सेकेंड नंबर पे द चेयरमैन ऑफ द Communist Party. He was the leader of the Chinese Revolution of 1949, after which the People's Republic of China came into the being. Mao Zedong. Third, he led the stable USSR from 1923 to 1953 through the difficult times during the Second World War. He transformed the agrarian economy of the country into an industrial one, making USSR a military superpower. Joseph Stalin. Fourth number पे the founder and the first Governor General of Pakistan. He died in 1948, soon after the country was formed. He is revered in Pakistan as Qaida-e-Azam, which means great leader in Urdu. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Fifth number पे he led the Germans in the Second World War. He and his party were the bitterly opposed to communists and Jews, and they killed many Jews during the Second World War. He was called the Father and was the Chancellor of the Germany between 1933 and 1945. He was defeated by the Allied power of the USSR of the USA, France and the Britain in 1945. वो थे Adolf Hitler. While Britain was a ward of the Germany during the Second World War, the Prime Minister of the country inspired its people not to lose heart. He won the Nobel Prize of Literature in 1953. वो थे Winston Churchill. Seventh is remembered as the leader of the Bolshevik Revolution in 1917 in Russia. He established the first ever communist government in the world. तो थे Vladimir Chilemin. 8 नंबर पे a commander in the Israel army since its reception in 1948. He became the Minister of Defense and then finally the Prime Minister of the Israel from 2001 till he was incapacitated by the stroke in 2006. He died in 2014. Ariel Salmon. Okay student, then turn the page. Around India. Then in this exercise, name of the state देने हैं and this is the oral exercise. आपको सिर्फ listen करना है. Biggest saltwater lagoon in India. Rice, Chahu dance, wooden toys, Pipli handcrafts. तो वो कहाँ पे होता है? ओडिशा. Prague Jyotispur is the old name of its main city. Tea, rice, jute, oil, Brahmaputra and Parak river valleys. वो है आसाम सेकेंड में। थर्ड राइस शुगर केन मैंगोज त्रिमुला वेंकटेश्वर टेम्पल कोंडापल्ली टॉयज proposed new capital Amravati on the bank of the river Krishna, Andhra Pradesh. Alabzuha area nut, coconut, coffee, cashew nuts, pepper, rubber, tea, backwaters. तो वो है केरला। कुरुक्षेत्र where Krishna is believed to have delivered the Bhagavad Gita's teaching to the Arjun, Rabi and the Kharif crops. First state to achieve 100% rural electrician. Wrestling. फिफ्थ पे आएगा हरियाणा। 6. चंपाल वैली छत्तीसगढ़ was carved out of it. Also known as the Heart of India. Heart of India कहलाता है। भीमबेटका केव पेंटिंग्स, क्यों भीमबेटका केव की पेंटिंग्स, सांची स्तूप, खजूरो टेम्पल्स, ग्वालियर फोर्ट, तो वो होगा मध्य प्रदेश। देन टर्न द पेज। 7th नंबर पे है गरोस खासीस ऑल्सो नोन एज द स्कॉटलैंड ऑफ द ईस्ट, द वेस्टेड प्लेस ऑफ अर्थ, the cleanest village in Asia, Wollongong. Meghalaya evergreen forest, Chakma, Kuki, Hyang, Mara tribes very high literacy rate, also known as the Song of Bird the East. तो उसमें आएगा मिजोरम। 9th पे occupy only 1.6% of India's total area, but produce as much as 12% of the country's food grain, also known as the granary of India. Cotton, woolen, textile industries, गौरमुख स्क्रिप्चर्स, जलियांवाला बाग मोन्यूमेंट, जलियांवाला बाग मोन्यूमेंट है, उसके ऊपर से ही पता चल जाता है कि वो है पंजाब। Came into existence in 2000 but was remained in 2007. High Court in Nainital. Other hill stations include Ranikhet and Mussoorie large forest area. तो वहाँ पे आएगा उत्तराखंड। 11th मोस्ट पॉपुलस स्टेट, ज़्यादा पॉपुलेटेड है, ज़्यादा पॉपुलेशन है उसकी। लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूस ऑफ फूड ग्रेन, टेक्सटाइल, शुगर, तो वो है उत्तर प्रदेश। 12th नंबर साबरमती आश्रम, दांडिया एंड गरबा डांसेस, नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ डिज़ाइन, पेट्रोलियम, जायंट स्टैच्यू ऑफ सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल, इसके नाम पे से ही आपको पता चल जाएगा। गुजरात केम टू एग्जिस्टेंसी इन 2014, चार मीनार, NTPC, रामगुंदम सुपर थर्मल पावर कॉरपोरेशन, तो वो है तेलंगाना। ओके स्टूडेंट, इस तरह ये जो मैंने ओरल आपके सामने डिस्कशन की वो आपको याद करना है और रीड करना है। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच।